Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ayu Dwi Susilawati. Today I would like to retelling to you all about my novel under the title Black Lightning by John Saul. And the story began of 5 years before a man's story began. A serial killer named Richard Craven killed and kidnapped the mother. And he always said that the murder is the part of experiment, and he always kill in the same ways, like he cut off their chest and take a heart and lungs, and then he always leave the black lightning mark or inside their body, inside the mother body, and then he believed one day his experiment will work, but it never does. And then we start to a main character of this novel named Anne Givers is a newspaper reporter. For many years, she is always writing about Richard Craven crimes. Because of this, Richard feels so very happy with Anne. Because Anne always always start to investigation about Craven life, and then 5 years later, Richard is finally executed by electric chair. Before he dies, the Detective Mark is friends of Anne. He tells to Anne that Richard wants to tell something. And Richard tells to Anne that my only regret is I will never see you die. And of this word, Anne feels scared. And then, but she's always thinking, this is only the word are coming from the mouth of dangerous criminal. At the same time, when Richard executed and get a news that that her husband Glenn at the same time get heart attack, and his heart stopped for a short time, but the doctor can save his life, and everyone to be because Glenn can survive that. After Glenn come home and notice that her husband is like not a same person. He act like different, and then he becomes to interest with strange things. But when Anne asked to the doctor say that this can happen after a heart attack. So Anne tries to believe them. However, she still feels like something is wrong. Soon, new murder is began to happen. The victims are same way like Richard Craven, and then Detective Mark start to new investigation and believe that this incident are someone is copying because Richard already died. As time goes by, Glenn changes more and more, and feels like she's live with a stranger person. Yes, because many things are changed from Glenn, her husband, and then until the time that Anne get a true story, a fact that when Richard Craven died because of executed, at the same time her husband Glenn get a heart attack and died stop heart for a short time. And the same time Richard's spirit entered to Glenn's bodies and tried to take control of Glenn's bodies. Now from this truth story, Richard's real goal is not only to kill people, but he want to make Anne feel like scared and always sad because the main goals is Richard want to kill her daughter Heather, and he want to see Anne sad because Glenn bodies are Richard controls. So until the final story is when Richard Cravens kidnapped Anne's daughter Heather, and he tries to kill Heather by Glenn bodies. And then Anne and Mark, they rush to save Heather until they found in the middle of Nether. When Richard tried to kill Heather, Heather say, "Dad, don't," and he screamed like, "Dad, don't!" Because of this, Glenn's body inside of Richard's spirit, he wake and fight with Richard to take control of his body on, and Glenn to be win, and he can take full of his body. And the end, Heather is safe, Richard is divided, and Glenn finally get his body back. Okay, thank you. Maybe that's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.